Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a motivational cleaning video for you guys. We are cleaning my downstairs, the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room. So let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. So this is in the morning. My kitchen is pretty clean because I go ahead and do everything the night before. I kind of have it on a routine and like a cleaning schedule. So I put in a load of dishes before I go to bed, and so that's what you'll see me putting away, the dishes that I hand wash that have dried overnight. And I'll put away the dishes in the dishwasher. And it's very minimal stuff I have to do in the morning to straighten up the kitchen because I kind of do everything the night before. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys soon.